Olympic sprinter and one of the fastest humans in the world, reached a speed of a bit more than 44 kilometers per hour, or about 27 miles per hour, running 100 meters. But a car on a freeway can travel 95 or more kilometers per hour for hundreds of kilometers. People can't move faster than cars, yet you might be able to travel between 2 points in less time than someone who is driving. How is that possible? Sometimes roads twist and turn, so you might be able to walk a more direct route than a car can drive. If you walk from point A to point B, and someone in a car drives from point A to point B, you both have the same displacement. If you follow a straight path, and the car takes a roundabout route, the car travels a greater distance. You can measure the distance by finding the total length of the path taken from point A to point B. Of course, if you want to be sure who gets from point A to point B soonest, you need to know exactly how speed, time, and distance are related. Finding an object's average speed is a one-step calculation. You divide distance by time. As an example, suppose you walk to a park half a kilometer from your home. The walk takes you 5 minutes. Your average speed is 1/10 of a kilometer per minute. That is not very fast compared to a car that travels 1 kilometer per minute or 60 kilometers per hour. Now, suppose that you walk over a footbridge across the river to get to the park, but a car has to travel a total of 8 kilometers to cross the river on a highway bridge. Who gets to the park sooner? Average speed is distance divided by time, so the time is distance divided by average speed. The car travels 8 kilometers at an average speed of 1 kilometer per minute, so the drive takes 8 minutes. You can beat the car by 3 minutes. When people talk about something moving with high velocity, they mean it is moving at high speed. But in science, velocity and speed are not exactly the same. Velocity is speed in a particular direction. If you are moving at 200 kilometers per hour, that is your speed. If you are moving at 200 kilometers per hour to the north, that is your velocity. 200 kilometers per hour to the north is not the same as moving 200 kilometers per hour to the south. In fact, the two velocities are opposite. If you take a trip, you have to travel in the right direction, or you will never arrive at your destination. So, when traveling, high speed may not be the most important thing. Choosing your direction and your path are crucial.